Welcome to Last Week in a Byte. So I want to start off by celebrating Happy Pie Day. And in celebration, we want to do the foodie shout out to a local Seattle joint called Moto Seattle, where they have some great, amazing, and quirky Detroit pizzas. So if you want some more foodie suggestions, let me know and we'll keep on adding to it. So the contributor of the month is Gerhard Breukl. He's a lead data engineer and cloud solution architect at PyCow. He's been instrumental for the Power BI and Delta Lake connector. So Gerhard, thank you very much for all of your amazing contributions. We did want to call out the releases of Delta RS 0.7.0 and check out the new features in the Python Delta Lake 0.7.0 release written by Will Jones and Matthew Powers. As well, we want to call out to Brayan Jules Jacques for his publishing of the HIO library that provides functions for managing HDFS and cloud object stores. Some recent events including two D3L2 sessions, one with the Adobe Experience Platform and another one with the journey from unifying data lake and data warehouse with ClaimsForce. So please check out these two sessions. The latest community blogs and videos include two by Vitor. He published Delta Lake Automatic Schema Evolution, and which includes a contribution of PR 1645, and Delta Lake Keep It Fast and Clean to improve your Delta Lake table's performance. Brayan, who we just talked about, also published Jody to append without duplication, i.e. deduplication of Delta Lake data. Brian Cafferkey published Understanding Delta File Logs, The Heart of Delta Lake, and TR published an amazing 7-part Delta Lake tutorial series that you really have to check out. Two Delta Lake guides by Nick Karpov, one on Delta Lake Merge, and the other one about getting started to contributing to Delta Lake Spark. So if you want to contribute, check out these guides today. Last, but certainly not least, a shout out to PyData Seattle on April 26th to 28th, where Delta Lake is a proud sponsor of the event. It's at the Microsoft Center with a lot of the cool PyData sessions, so come join us there, and we'll definitely join us, Delta Lake maintainers, at the Blueprint Consulting booth, where we're working together. And that's it for today's session of Last Week in a Byte. Hope to see you next week.